Okay, so the intro verse sections are going to be the same for every time we repeat them. We play it twice in the song. We have two parts. Actually, no, four parts to the whole verse. It takes place on the A string and the D string, which is the fourth string from the bottom. That's the D string, and the fifth string from the bottom, which is the A string. So on the D string, we're going to put our finger on the 8th fret with our index, and then our ring finger on the 10th fret of the the A string, and we're gonna pluck D A. So once more, 8th fret D, 10th fret A, and we're gonna play D A. Then we're gonna switch our fingers like this. So now that our ring finger's on 10 D and 8 A, and we're still gonna pluck D, A. So those two parts go like this. Then we're gonna scoot this shape all the way down to the 5th and 7th fret. So 5th fret on the A, 7th fret of the D, and we're gonna pluck A, D. So now we're flipping it. So before we're going D, A, now we're going A, D. Then we're gonna scoot it up one fret and on the 6th fret of the A, but now we're going to move our ring finger down to the G string. So we're going to skip a string on the 8th fret. So we're going to go A, G, go back to A, same note, and then you're going to scoot your finger in to the 7th fret. So now you're going to go A, G again. So 6, A, and then 6, 7. And then you repeat it. All together, it'll sound something like this. Repeat it. And that's the verse. That's the intro and the verse sections. In the chorus, it's very simple. We're going to use one shape, our power chord shape, the whole time. We're going to put our finger on the E, 3rd fret, and the A, 5th fret. We're going to play that one. Then we're going to scoot it up to the 6th fret and 8th fret. We're not going to switch our fingers. They're going to stay on the E and the A for the most part. Then we're going to go to the 1st fret, 1st and 3rd, and then back to the 3 and 5. So it goes 3 and 5, 6 and 8, 1 and 3, and then back to 3 and 5. You're going to do that again. So that means you're going to strum the 3 and 5 once more. So it's going to go 3, 5, 6, 8, 1, 3, 3, 5, and then again 3, 5, 6, 8, 1, 3, 3, 5. Now on the second time, you're not going to play it again. What we're going to do is we're going to actually scoot this chord up to different strings. So we're going to go from the E and the A string to the A and the D string on the 6th fret. So 6 and 8 on the A and D string, not the E and the A and the D string. Okay. So real quick before we move on to the second half of the chorus, let's play the first chorus together. So we go 3 and 5 into 6, 8, then 1, 3, then 3, 5. And then we do it again, 3, 5 again, 6, 8, 1, 3, and then 3, 5. And then here's where we switch. These are our power chord shapes. Remember, index finger on top, ring finger on the string right below it, 2 frets over. We're going to go to the 6 and 8 on the A and the D string. Okay? Then we're going to go back to the 3 and the 5 on the E and the A. And then 1 and 3 on the E and the A. And then back to 3 and 5. And then we do that again. 6 and 8 on the A and the D string. 3 and 5 on the E and the A. But then instead of going to 1 and 3, we're going to go to 5 and 7 on the A and the D string. play that twice. So that second half should sound something like this. 6 and 8 on the A, 3 and 5 on the E, 1 and 3 on the E, 3 and 5 on the E, 6 and 8 on the A, 3 and 5 on the E, 5 and 7 on the A. Once more. And that's basically it for the first two parts, the chorus and the verse. The only difference is in the second verse, we play the 5 and 7 two more times. So a total of four strums at the very end. Instead of just going 5, 7, 5, 7, we're going to do it two more times. And that will lead us into the guitar solo.